Let's do today adding and subtracting algebraic fractions. Now you may ask a question like what are the fractions. So what are the fractions? Fractions are the examples like this is 4 over 11, let's say 3 over 11. So these are the fractions. Now what are algebraic fractions? Algebraic fractions are the fractions that will involve numbers plus the variables. So we can just transform this one like this, 4 over, this is fraction. If let's say you have here x also, now this became an algebraic fraction. So you all know how to use how to add these fractions. So same rules are applicable here for the algebraic expression. So now here, as you know, this one is like denominator is same, so we can directly add them. 4 plus 3, it is 7 over 11. So here also you have 11 and 11 in the denominator, so you can just add the numerators. So 4 plus 3, 4x plus 3x, it is 7x over 11. So this is the difference between fractions and algebraic fractions. So the topic is adding and subtracting algebraic fractions. So let's do some examples on that. Let's take example 1, that is a over, let's say it's 5 plus b over 5. As you can see, we do not have only numbers here, we have variables, we have a and b together. So what we need to see, we need to see for the denominator. Denominator is same, so we can just add them together. So this is a plus b over 5. So that's it, that's the only answer for that. So example 2, let's say we have 4 over x plus 5 over x. So now you can see we have x in the denominator, but it doesn't matter, although it is same in both. So x will be here as LCM, so we will just write or add the numerators. So 4 plus y, we can simplify this, 4 plus 5 is 9 over x. So this will be the final answer for that. So now in these examples you have seen like you had denominator same in both cases. Here was x, here is 5. So now what to do if the denominator is not same? For example, in this example I can take, let's say it is 2 over 9 plus 1 over 3. So I am taking example of just the fraction. So if we want to make it expression algebraic fraction, so let's have this here for 2x plus, let's say it is 4x plus 3. So now you see the denominator is different. If the denominators are not same, the fraction must be changed into an equivalent fraction with the same denominator. So as you can see, we have 9 here. So it's easy to make this 9. How will you do that? So as you were doing in the numbers also, this is 9. So 3 times 3 will make it 9. But we have to do the same step in the numerator also. So as you multiplied by 3 here, you will multiply by 3 here also. So then this is 2x over 9 plus then 4 times 3, it's 12x over 9. Now we have denominator same. So we can just take LCM as 9, then 2x plus 12x. Then 2x plus 12x, that is 14x over 9. So this will be your final answer for that. Let's see this example. We have 3a over 5b plus 8 over 3b. Now you can see both the numbers here are different in the denominator. So now we need to make them same. So what you need to do here, b is there in both of them. So as you know, like to make 5 and 3 same, we can take the LCM. So by 3 it will be 15. 3 times 5 15. So that means we need to have here in the denominator 15. So how to make this 15? We can multiply this by 3. Whatever you do in the denominator, you have to do the same in the numerator. So here 3 times 5 will make it 15. So we can then multiply, just multiply 3 times 3, it is 9a, plus 8 times 5, it's 40a. Now don't forget to add this b here. So 9 plus 40a, it will be 9a plus 40, it's 49a over 15b. So this will be our final answer for that. Let's do another example involving negative sign. So in the denominator you can see it's very easy. This is 2y here, this is y here. To make this 2y we can just multiply by 2. So this is 2x minus this remain as it is. So in the denominator we have 2y. So 2x minus x is x over 2y. That's it. And in this example, we have both signs, positive and negative, addition also and subtraction also. So let's see, we have x in all. So we can just put x here. Then we have 10 and 20, 5, 10 and 20. So maximum number is 20. So these are multiples of 5. So it's easy to convert them. So 5 times, so let's make it 20 here. 5 times 4 is 20 times 4. Then here times 2 times 2, this will make it 20. So 3b, let me add one more step here. This will be 12b over 20 x. This will be 2 times 2, 4b over 20x minus b over 20x is already there. So now we can just add, because the denominator is same, we can just add the numerators. So 12b plus 4b minus b. So we need to do step by step. These two are positive. 12 plus 4 is 16b minus b over 20x. 16 minus 16 minus 1, that is 1 times b. 16 minus 1, that is 15b over 20x. So we can simplify this. If it's possible, like we can divide this, these two are multiples of 3, so we can divide both by 3. So it will be 3 times 5, 5b, sorry. So we can divide it by 5 by 5. So 5 times 3 will give you 15, 5 times 4. So answer will be 3b over 4x.